Hey, welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Mama P's here again. Are you ready to roll? Just come and roll with me.
All right, so what you making today, Mom?
Well, I'm about to cook some Jamaican authentic rice and peas.
All right. So tell me, what's the ingredients?
And I will be making it from cow peas. And these cow peas, they came from my garden. And look, these are the stalks, you know, of the cow peas. So when I shell them, that's what I got from it. Yes, and I'll be using an authentic coconut. I'm gonna broke this. All right, so now I have complete seasoning, some onion seasoning, some sea salt, seasoning salt. And here's all my little ingredient I'm gonna put in here. Nothing much: pepper, thyme, garlic, piece of ginger, some butter, and green onion or scallions, so they say.
Nice.
And, you know, and that's about it.
All right.
All right, so now I'm gonna wash my peas. Wash my peas. And this peas is very easy to cook. This is very easy to cook. You can also get this peas from the greengrocery store if you chose to use.
Can you get it?
If you choose
what is it? What
just
is
go
it?
there and look for cow peas.
Cow peas. Okay.
Yes. But this I planted in my garden and then I reap it. I like this. This peas is very rich in protein. And it's so nice when you cook rice and peas with it, or if you cook soup with it. Oh my God. It is so delicious. All right, so.
Now she's just filling it with water now.
All right, so here I go, I'm gonna put it on the stove. And this peas, it should be cooked maybe within 45 minutes the most. All right, so now I'm gonna turn my stove on medium heat and I'm gonna wait for it to boil up, and then I'm gonna sink it later. So while that is boiling up, I'm gonna prepare the coconut. All right. I like the coconut water, so I am going to drink this, so I can drink that later. Let me take this out of the shell. Most people nowadays, they don't use the coconut like back in the old days. They use the can, but you know, if you want to use a can, you can also use that too. But I just like the taste that I get from the real coconut. That authentic taste.
Yeah, it's fresh.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these up. Okay, I'm gonna wash my coconut. All right, so now I'm going to put some cold water in there to sink the peas. Cold water. All right, so now I'm gonna cover it back and leave it there. All right, so now let's see here. Okay, so I'm gonna sit this right over here and wait for my peas to cook. When my peas half cooked, then I will pour this in there. Alright, so now I'm gonna cover it up. When my peas half cooked, I'll come back and just put it in the pot. Okay, so that's it. Oops, my garlic is flying. I'm gonna put 4 cloves of garlic in there. This will even soften the peas and give your rice and peas a nice flavor. This is gonna soften your peas some more. All right, so I put my garlic in. You're gonna get that sweet, beautiful smell, ooh, and that aroma coming from the pot with your garlic.
Yes.
All right, so it's half an hour. My peas have been cooking. And let me try it. This peas is very easy to cook. See, guys? It's almost done cooking, so I'm gonna put my coconut milk in. Yes. Now I'm gonna put my scallion or green onion. I'm gonna put my scotch bonnet pepper, my thyme, a little butter, and I'm seasoning my pot now, guys. I'm seasoning. And I'm going to put some salt, and a little seasoning salt, and some complete seasoning, and some onion powder. All right, so let's give it a stir. All right, I'm just gonna put all of this in there. It depends on how much rice you're cooking, so you just put the amount of rice you're cooking. And I'm gonna leave this for another 15 minutes for the seasoning to cook and the coconut milk to cook, and then I'm gonna come back and my peas will be finished by then, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm going to put my rice in. I think I'm gonna put 5 cups of rice in this.
We'll see.
We'll see. All right, so let me cover it back again. Make this rice, if this peas is cooked. Let's see. Oh yes. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little more all-purpose season, a little more salt in here. So all-purpose. A little more, can take a little bit more to give it a kick. And a little bit more salt, not too much. Alright, like that. Alright, so let that relax there for a bit. I'm going to get the rice now. 5 cups of jasmine rice. 1 cup, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, let me wash my rice. So wash out the stuff from the rice, guys. In. Alright, so I'm going to cover it and let it turn the stove on low heat and let it take its time and cook. Okay, let me check to see if this rice is cooked. It is cooked. So I take out all of those things out there,
Yeah, the
scallion
scallion.
and thyme.
Mm-hmm.
The pepper, I don't want it to burst in there. Let me give it a little stir at the top here. Oh, okay. So this is done. All right. So this is it, guys. Authentic Jamaican rice and peas made with cowpeas from my garden. Guys, like, share and subscribe to my video and touch that notification bell, guys, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.